so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be opening up, ooh, look at that, Blemish. But today we're going to be opening up the Nourish Beauty Box. So this runs $29.95 and is a monthly subscription. Usually includes about 4 to 5 beauty products and is vegan and cruelty free. And the total box value this month is going to be $106.99. You do get a card included. I'll leave the card for later as a recap. Is a serum. This is by Seraphine Botanicals and it's cherry and rose nectar. And it's a replenishing body and face serum, so that's exciting. My face is freshly washed. Wow, that looks beautiful. It's a nice little dropper. It's glass, so that's cool. I mean, it smells like skincare. It smells good. I'm just trying to identify the scent, and I'm really bad at it. It rubs on like an oil, and usually the serums I use don't. They usually rub on like a moisturizer, so that's different. There's sweet cherry, sweet almond, and raspberry seed oils, so there are definitely oils in there. Feels really good on my skin though. A light scent to it. It's not like overpowering, so it's something I can deal with. This runs $16, so that's a decent price for a lot of product actually. This is by Nourish Naturals. I'm assuming they have their own makeup line. Safflower Shimmer, and it's a lip gloss. This runs $16. Oh, so pink. Although it's short, it's really wide. It's a lot wider than other lip glosses I've come across. It's a little bit of a shimmery pink. It's nothing like intense. I absolutely love it. It smells like bubble gum and it looks amazing. It's like just the right hint of pink for my lips, and with the shimmer it's just like, come on now. Absolutely love it. So it's the end of the night and it's time for bed. This is like the cutest packaging. Oh, LA Bloom Beauty. And it's an organic niche beauty essential. And it's a lash and brow serum. And it's to help restore follicles and hydrate from root to tip, giving them a boost of vitamins, minerals to help rejuvenate. Well, let's see what it looks like. I'm hoping it's a spoolie. Oh, thank God. So I'm just gonna do my brows first. Oh yeah, it is just like a mix of different types of oils. It's a really lovely smell. It is very oily though. Hopefully it's gonna make my lashes lovely and long and luscious. And how much is this? This runs $25. Wow, that's not what I was expecting at all. So this is from Wyldflower Labs, and I'm actually a fan of this brand. Pink Tea Tree Gel. This is anti-blemish treatment gel. Whoa. It's looking funny. That is absolutely not what I was expecting. It almost looks like honey. So that's what it looks like. Right? And then just apply to like the blemish areas. Right there. There's one. There's another one. Got blemishes for days. It's like a watered down gel consistency. Actually does smell like a acne medication. Not as obnoxious, but it's a similar scent. I could be completely wrong too. It's been a minute since I actually bought acne medication. And this runs $11.99. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll actually leave a link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.